first guest for today, here with us again for the second time, Diana Maki. Let's go.
Hi, RJ!
Hi,
Hi,
Diana.
Starmates! Kamusta kayo? Hi sa mga nanonood.
Yes, kamusta?
Kamusta? Nasa Canada ka pala. Hindi ko alam na nasa Canada ka.
Oh, you didn't know nung una?
Hindi ko alam. Nagulat ako nung last natin, 4 a.m. na pala yun.
Yes, I
Sabi
am in Canada right now.
ni RJ effort. So, anong oras na dyan ngayon?
It is currently 3:07 a.m. in the morning.
What? Grabe, effort. Okay ka pa naman.
Yes, kaya yan, syempre.
Okay, thank you, Starmates, and thank you, RJ. Starmates, please vote for me as the best pelikula actress. At syempre, please vote for our film, Wedding Dress for Sale, as the best pelikula film.
Yes, go vote for it. At, guys, kung love niyo si Diana, mag-send naman kayo ng Carlito claps.
Clap, clap, clap.
Yes, claps. So yun, let's do. Oh, yun.
You, Ate Katia, thank you.
Thank you po. So you know the drill. We have questions prepared and there's a lot of stuff to go. So let's start first with the first question.
Go.
Okay. Once again, mga Starmates, hindi po ako yung nagtanong or ako yung nagsulat dito. Hindi po.
Okay, go. Shoot.
Anong feeling na ma-nominate as Best Actress?
Wow. Parang yung title pa lang kasi parang nakakaano na, no? Hindi ako makapaniwala, syempre. Kahit yung mommy ko nung nalaman niya na una, sabi niya, ha? Best Actress?
Oh.
Sabi ko sa Star Hunt, sobrang saya, sobrang grateful. Parang nakakakilig sobra. Kasi parang first, parang first lead series ko yun, online series. Kaya sobrang nakakatuwa na na-nominate pa yun, yung first acting stint ko. Kaya thank you sa mga nag-nominate. Thank you. Thank you.
Congrats, guys. Vote nyo. That's another reason to always vote for them when they mention this. So vote for Diana.
Thank you.
So as always, meron tayong diamond goals for today. Let's go. Kapag na-reach natin ang 100k diamonds, I have a question for you. It is, ano ang dream wedding mo? Pare, may pakasal na agad?
Oo nga eh. May kasal na agad. Hanap muna na ano.
Wala muna date, fall in love, kasal na agad?
Kasal.
Okay. If we reach 200k diamonds, you will be dedicating a message para sa mga kabatch mo sa PBB. Aww, this is an emotional segment. So guys, let's try to... At lastly, if we reach 300k diamonds, you will reveal one thing na hindi alam ng lahat ng supporters tungkol sa inyong dalawang Frankie. Ano kaya yun? Ano kaya yun?
Nag-iisip pa rin ako hanggang ngayon.
Yes,
Sir,
guys.
pwede ko ba sabihin?
Pabuti naman, guys, pabuti naman natin to 300k para malaman natin ang sagot.
Oo nga. Hello guys. Thank you sa mga nanood ulit na kaka-stream ko lang din ulit kanina. Palaging nagkakataon na may kumuha ko kanina. Di ba last week din eh. Wednesday din ito last week.
It's right after that Kumu. May isang lang and then ready na agad para dito.
Oo nga eh. Kanina, nag-ano ako, yung episode ko kanina, nag-makeup ako as drag queen. As in, full-on makeup. My brows were up to here. Kanina. So, parang kanina after nun, kasi until 2 p.m. yun. Ang bilis ko nagtanggal, nag-wash lang ako ng face. Tapos, hindi ko pa matanggal. Sabi ko, ganito na ba itsura ko mamaya sa 4 p.m. dito sa Best and the Brightest. As in, ayaw matanggal ng brows ko. Ayun, nanonood ulit sila ngayon. Thank you, guys. Natanggal ko yung brows ko. So,
yes, taray. Queen Diana.
That's my drag name.
Queen
Kanina
D.
yun yung drag name ko. Queen D. With a K.
Wow. At may special treat tayo para sa mga Starmates. Ano kaya to? It is, kapag nag-send kayo ng Chocolate Hills for today, magkakaroon kayo ng power to control this live. ibig sabihin, kahit anong sabihin nyo, gagawin namin.
No,
Oh,
grabe, nakakaba naman yun.
kinakabahan rin ako dun sa part na
Oo
yun.
nga.
So, guys,
Ayun, may nag-send daw ng isang chocolate hills. Gagawin daw ni RJ.
damay-damay na to.
Gagawin daw ni RJ kahit ano.
Yes,
Kahit
if
ano.
you guys send one chocolate hills, you guys get to control the entire live. Nakakatakot.
Nakakaba yun ah.
Sobra. So guys, besides that, pabutin naman natin to 300k at least, guys, please support niya si Diana dito sa Star
Yes,
Awards 2020.
please. Thank you guys. Boto niyo po kami ni Paul. Si
Yes.
Brian. Check.
Oh.
Oh my God.
Well, so before any of the other segments start, you guys have control.
Patay ka, RJ.
Sama ka na sa akin.
Ay, si Patty, parang hindi siya ata marunong magtagalog.
Patty malakas.
I
think it's in general. Wait lang. Does it say doon? Kapag nag-send kayo ng chocolate hills today, magkakaroon. Kayo. So, sila lahat.
Silang lahat?
Yeah.
Or yung nag-send lang ng chocolate hills? Or lahat sila?
It says, kapag nag-send kayo ng chocolate hills, magkakaroon kayo ng powers to control the entire live. Ibig sabihin...
Tingin ko isa lang. Kung sino lang yung nag-send ng chocolate hills.
Yeah. So, we have to try and wait.
Ayun. Okay, sige, Patty, what do you want us to do?
Yes. At also, kung gusto niyo mag-co-host with us, send lang kayo ng flying kiss.
Go, guys! Huwag kayo bahiya. May
isa lang
queer.
yung bawal. It is, wait lang, one second. Charot.
Ano?
Wala.
Yun.
Patty, you can ask us, you control the entire live now. Anything you want us to do, we will do it. Nakakakaba to.
Ayun. Ngayon lang yan na iintindihan.
Yes.
Yeah, we'll do whatever you want. Just let us know. You'll control the live. The whole thing.
Grabe, no? They have the power to control the entire live.
So, wala na yung script natin. Wala na yun.
Basically, parang wala na yung script. Pero may
wala na yung script. Okay, good, Patty.
Pinag-usapan pa lang natin, tapos nag-send na agad. Wait.
Oo nga eh. So, wala na agad yung script. Sayang naman yung script.
Yeah. Okay, so let's wait.
Baka pa ata ni Patty.
Baka may masabi siya sa atin.
Go. Miss Patty, hello. Oh my God. Dance to a TikTok trend.
Oh.
Now?
Now po? You want us to do it now? Okay. This is interesting.
Dance to a Madaya.
I'm not a dancer.
Okay, sige, turuan mo ako na lang. You'll teach me.
What's a good song? Wait.
Huwag naman yung super...
I know. I'm thinking of a regular TikTok. Not the Corvette. That's a little bit moderate.
Go. Buti na lang dancer tong kasama natin.
May nagsabi, it's me and my jowa.
Ano yun?
Parang gumaganito, it's me and my jowa. Parang wala kang jowa. Hindi naman sa pinapatamaan kita, pero yes.
Hindi, ikaw na may jowa.
Wala rin ako jowa. Wala akong jowa. Wow!
Wala.
Wala talaga. Okay, so what's a good TikTok? I'm gonna go check on TikTok right now. What's a good?
Go.
Okay. Ready? I'll teach it to you.
Tatayo tayo? Or
kung gusto mo to, alin? Anong gusto mo?
Okay lang ba nakaupo dyan? Puro...
Yeah, it's just simple naman.
Okay, go. Sige.
So, tara.
Tara.
Tara, tara. And then 1, 2, and then hit the wall.
Hindi ko kaya yun.
Okay. Just go like that, like up and then down. And then
It feels so cool doing
like
that.
and then clap. 1, and then tug tug. Okay, so I'll show you how it goes with the. I'll show you how it goes first with the beat. Okay. Get okay here. I'll help you again. I'll help you
Yes,
again.
okay, go. Isa pa.
Ta tara ta tara tara ta ta ta. Whoa. Clap. And then go like this and then tug tug. Ayun. Ready?
Okay, game.
Yes, go.
Ito na, Patty.
Yeah, you got it.
Ang bilis!
Oh, nga,
Okay,
that's-
kaya natin to.
Yes, okay.
So,
One more. One last. Okay, ready? 5, 6, 7, go. Palakpakan po si Diana ngayon. She did a very good job for the
Oh
dance.
my God, sorry.
I just learned it too. I just learned it now, so I was also having a hard time.
Oh wow, di ba? Ngayon lang daw niya natutunan yun, pero...
It's hard. So, for Miss Patty, what else do you want us to do? Sabi daw niya perfect. Oh, thank you po.
Ang galing, di ba? Thank you, guys.
Yes. Boop, boop, boop.
Okay, next. What else, Patty?
Yes. Sabi daw, it's me and my jowa. Wala po kaming jowa. Wala. May nagsabi ng handstand.
Handstand.
I think I'll just do this since you're the girl.
Okay, go. Ayan, si RJ na lang. Thank you, RJ.
Oh my god. I don't think if I can handle it. Wait, I'm gonna tuck in because I don't want my shirt to fall down. Let's avoid that from happening. I don't know if I still know how to do a handstand.
Ayan, RJ Perkins, everybody.
I'll just do it, guys. Because Diana is a girl, so at the same time, so okay, wait, now let's see. Let's wait if she's. Just tell me when tell me when it's a go.
Okay, go na ba?
Wait lang, let's
Patty.
put a comment. Grabe. We love the Tito shorts. Yes, Tito shorts.